Hey singers, welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel. If you are here for the first time, I'm glad that you're here, so welcome. So today's topic is all about really utilizing vocal fry as a tool to effortlessly transition into head voice. So let's break this down and how this works and why it is so effective for singers on all levels. So vocal fry is that kind of gravelly, low sound at the bottom of your range, and it might seem a little bit like a quirky sound, but it's actually a very, very useful technique, especially for smoothing out and shifting into head voice, smoothing out your transition and shifting into head voice. So why incorporate vocal fry into your singing practice? Well, the key really lies in its ability to relax your vocal cords. This relaxed state can really help you transition into head voice more smoothly, really eliminating those awkward breaks and cracks in your voice. So let's get into some practical exercises. Wow.
This should feel 100% relaxed.
Wow.
The vocal fry should feel natural and not forced. Connecting into pure head voice. So the vocal fry is allowing you to get into that smaller, more controlled coordination, making it easier to navigate your vocal registers. Okay, taking it to the scale now. Be mindful of your airflow. You need little air to produce this sound. Stay nice and relaxed as we ascend. And just keep being mindful of your airflow. As little air as possible. Okay, almost done. This is the last one. Well done.
Okay, so that's it for the exercises. These exercises aren't just about vocal tricks. They're all about really just understanding and feeling the natural progression of your voice with practice. You're really going to just get these transitions and you're just going to become more fluid and natural. So give it a try in your next practice session. And if this video was helpful, then please give it a like, share it, and subscribe for more vocal tips. And if you have any questions or you want to share your experience with vocal fry, then drop a comment below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and keep honing your skills. Until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.